Take a break. Take a break. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. You should take a break after studying. You should take a break after studying. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m. I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m. We had breakfast together this morning. We had breakfast together this morning. Pay attention. Pay attention. Please pay attention to the teacher. Please pay attention to the teacher. He wasn't paying attention during the meeting. He wasn't paying attention during the meeting. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Let's keep in touch after graduation. Let's keep in touch after graduation. We still keep in touch through social media. We still keep in touch through social media. Get married. Get married. They got married in 2024. They got married in 2024. My cousin is going to get married next month. My cousin is going to get married next month. Save time. Save time. Online banking helps save time. Online banking helps save time. Planning your day can save time. Planning your day can save time. Take responsibility. Take responsibility. Everyone should take responsibility for their actions. Everyone should take responsibility for their actions. She took responsibility for the mistake. She took responsibility for the mistake. Catch a bus. Catch a bus. I catch a bus to work every day. I catch a bus to work every day. Hurry up! We'll miss the bus if we don't catch it. Hurry up! We'll miss the bus if we don't catch it. Make a decision. Make a decision. I need to make a decision today. I need to make a decision today. She always makes the right decisions. She always makes the right decisions. Do homework. Do homework. My sister is doing her homework. My sister is doing her homework. I always do my homework before dinner. I always do my homework before dinner.